Hey guys, it's Ted from Gallup. Our Clearview doors are built to last, but if you're having a problem, we've got the solution.
Hi, Michael here from Gallup. Having issues with your Clearview door? Step number 1 is refer back to your installation manual to make sure everything's installed correctly. If you're still having issues, let's talk about some of your most common fixes. Most door issues are sensor related. If your door is stuck in the up position, check sensors. You should see an orange and green light. If you only see a green light, check alignment. If you don't see any lights, you may have a bad sensor or a wiring issue. If your door is stuck in any position other than fully open or fully closed and you see a blinking red light on the control panel, check your barrel sensor position. It should be 1/8 of an inch away from the cam wheel. Still having problems? Step 2, give us a call. We'll walk you through how to get your Clearview door up and running.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel. When you think car wash solutions, give Gallup a spin.
Only Gallup.
Only Gallup.
Only Gallup.
Only Gallup.